Hi there everyone, my name is John. This is what a hearing test look like. The first step we're gonna do, my receptionist will ask you a couple questions regarding your hearing history, your medical conditions. Before I start hearing test in the sound booth, I'm gonna use the otoscope, this one, to check your outer ear and eardrum. After that, we're gonna do a hearing test. So hearing test combined the ear conduction testing, bone conduction testing, and speech understanding test too. After that, we're gonna send you back in the seat and we're gonna go over every single details that based on your severity of hearing loss. We offered many flexible options, including the trialing, free hearing test, and the best deal you ever had in your life. If you're getting interested in hearing test, don't wait. Give a call to Part of Me Hearing. You will find your best hearing experience in your life.